Today we're making salmon pasta.
Go! All right, Manny. So what are we doing today?
We're cutting the salmon.
For what? What are we cooking?
Salmon pasta.
Salmon pasta. Wow! Fantastic. Look at Manny. Look at the ingredients. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look, barilla pasta, a salmon, special knife for Manny the chef. Look at his outfit. Look at this. This is a real chef. This is a real chef. Adding you, Manny. And look at this. Look at this. Look at this. He has his.
Lemon if you want, but we cannot find lemon at Walmart. So
Okay.
we're using lime instead.
Okay. All right, Manny. So what are we doing now?
Adding the extra virgin olive
Oh,
oil.
fantastic. Look at that. Look at that. Extra oil. Extra virgin oil? How do you say it?
Extra virgin olive
Okay,
oil.
that's it. That's it. So it's coming. 2, 3, 1, go. All right, Manny. So what are we doing now?
We crush the garlic.
Oh, look at that. Fantastic. Good job. All right, Manny. So what do we do now?
Add water.
Good job. That way the garlic cooks evenly. All right. So what do we do now?
We add the salmon.
Okay, hold on. Get the knife. Awesome. Yeah, you might want to hold it there. Manny, there you go. Perfect. Good job. Good job.
And
I mean, 2, 3, 1, go. All right, Manny. Look at that.
And now, should we add the...
All right, Manny. So what are we doing now?
We put the salt in the water.
Wow.
Because, because it's gonna make the ocean. And add the penne pasta in the ocean.
Awesome. Fantastic.
It's a
Good job, Manny. I
expression.
like your outfit. Look at that. This
And
is
then
a chef thing, and this is your thermometer.
Monica gave me it, which is my mom's friend. And
Thank you to her.
Putting the pasta. I said put the pasta into the ocean, and it's an expression.
All right. Perfect. And go. All right, Manny. So what are we doing now?
Getting the parsley, and we're gonna chop it.
Awesome. Look at that chef. That mini chef. Nice outfit. I like your chef. How they call it? Suit.
Chef outfit.
Nice. Look at that. Fresh parsley.
Parsley.
Parsley. Yes. And the salmon is cooking here. Smell fantastic, guys. You should smell this. Smells so good.
Smells so good. It feels.
All right, the salmon is almost ready. Big one. All right, Manny. So what are you putting there?
Capers. Parsley.
Parsley. Oh, look at that.
Curry.
All right, Manny. So what do we have now?
We're gonna squeeze lime juice, or you can use lemon.
The video coming in 2, 3, 1, go. All right, Manny. So what do you have now?
Since the pasta is al dente, we're gonna pour it into the salmon.
Okay, slowly into the salmon. All right. Very well. Hold it. Money. Man.
Counting in 2, 3.
3, 1, go. I got that in the video. All right, Manny, go. All
We have
right,
the
so
cream cheese.
so you put the cream cheese there. Is it gonna merge?
Of course it is. And then add some pasta water.
Not so good. 1, go. All right, Manny. So what do we have here?
We're on top. This is the ultimate salmon pasta. It's good.